Hey and welcome to the video. I'm Zita and today I will show you, like it's written from the title, how to earn money. That's a simple way. You just need to know how to gambling. I mean, like in CSGO, websites for gambling. That's it. Safe for students and welcome to the video. Basically, we are here on Cryptobo, sorry for my spelling, and all links are on the description. It's a simple website, and basically what we need to do is log in. If you don't have, you just need to register. It's simple. After that you need to confirm a mail, simple stuff, and we are here. Forget basically some start money. If you don't want to deposit and earn something, you need to get register from this referral link, and basically you will receive some start money to trade, and I will receive also some percentage of that, and that's it. Okay, let me introduce you how to play it. Basically, we have here the chart of different cryptocurrencies, like you see here. You can select from Bitcoin, Euro, Ethereum, USD, etc. And basically, let me explain how to earn money here. We have here a graphic, basically a chart, where we see how the price is going. And when we bet some money here, like I will bet here 5 Satoshi, and we can bet a call or put. Basically, if you click the call button, you're saying that in 1 minute or 5-10 you choose if the price is going up the line you selected or down. So let me show you what I mean. Basically, here we have the price in 1 minute, okay, and I'm saying that the price is going up. Here are the line. If the price will be up that line, after 1 minute we get the money, or lose if it is down. And that's how it works. If you want to earn more money, you just need to put more time, or going to pro and go 15 minutes, but that's risky. But if you are sitting here so many hours you have experience, you can provide a future, something like that. I don't know, watch in the last 5 hours there are drops usually every 15 minutes, and that's it. We win, no, we lose, I don't know, let's check. Probably we lose or win, I don't know. Close deals, call. Profit amount, okay, we lost, but that's it. You can test it anymore. If you lose, you can double it and try to get back with the money. So basically, I'm going to set it up again. No, I can't. Okay, I need to wait. I think that's it. Lock time 5 seconds, and we can keep going. I'm gonna call it up, and let me show you things here. you can select basically what you wanna to trade, to bet. If you want to go with bitcoins, I mean cryptocurrencies, or stocks, we have here Apple, Google, that, what's that? The same coins, well, never mind, it's the same. Apple too, maybe they are working on, I think, that's bugged. Anyway, we have also the currencies, normal like Euro, USD, and others. Commodities, what's that? I don't know. And we have, okay, we win etc. share, right? And that's it. You can keep going. That's simple, but you need to have, I don't know, hand for it, like photographs, have the eye for the pictures, you know what I mean. Okay, and we win 80 Satoshi from 10, that's a good number, I think. Okay, now we're going up and we are locked. That was a great opportunity to go to down. Basically you need to wait and I know, watch this. We have 15 minutes and something grow like that, or give me a second, like that, you know what I mean. It's going up for no reason in 1 second, like here, and it's going down. So it's a great opportunity to put it on put and win money, but now I don't know what to do. Because, okay, now I can put it down sincerely, and we can wait. And what I can say, you have here live support if you want to ask something, tickets for support also, I think, billing, and here you withdraw. Here's version that is verified by Visa. Probably it's truth. It should be. It's not a fake crypto website, because I seen that site, I think, 1 year ago. So that's trustable, I think. Should be. Okay, and the win. No, we lose. Okay, but why? Probably, yeah, probably it was bad timing. Anyway, I have nothing to say. I think you can also change the language if you want on the right button, and that's it. Thanks for watching. And probably tomorrow will be another video about sites like that, about cryptocurrencies. So I was Zita, thanks for watching, and see you in other videos. Bye!